This 2018 Gulfstream Conquest Lite Super Lite 188RB Conquest Lite Super Lite 188RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Gulfstream is 20 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, water heater, leveling jacks, LP detector, air conditioning, refrigerator, awning, Colorado Detector, Skylight, microwave, stove top burner, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features Murphy bed, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Gulfstream Conquest Lite Super Lite 188RB Conquest Lite Super Lite 188RB is 3,010 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.